devotees may come, devotees may go, devotees may come, devotees may go, but I will be thine always, my Lord, I will be thine always, my Lord, I will be thine always. When I die, look into mine eyes. When I die, look into mine eyes. They will mutely say, I will be thine always. My Lord, I will be thine always.
Kriya Yoga incarnated in India. It came through Lahiri Mahasaya. As a sun rises in the east but travels west, in the same way, Kriya Yoga rises in the east through Lahiri Mahasaya and it travelled to west through Paramahansa Yogananda. Because Paramahansa Yogananda was in some previous life, he was European, American, and he was with Mahavatar Babaji. He was one of the closest and very evolved great master in the field of Kriya Yoga. Therefore, he was selected to spread it in the West. When Yogananda was learning it with Swami Yukteswar Giri, he was observing many were coming and going, but he was finding himself completely steady in the path, unshakable on the path. Therefore, he wrote this song, I will be thine always. Practicing Kriya Yoga means practicing presence of God. Practicing this philosophy, I will be thine always. Then all devotees, they were coming and going. Somebody is joining, somebody is leaving. Many things happens. At the last, 3 remains. In 3, Yogananda was one. And all left. Therefore, he just wrote this song, I will be thine always. Once he left Yukteswar Giri ashram, because he was having illusion that here is too much work, washing dishes, cooking the food, so many other works day and night, and going to the school. Then he was thinking, he will not find God in this way. He needs seclusion, and Himalaya is the best. In this way, he went away from Master, away from the real philosophy. Therefore, he wrote, I may go far farther than the star, but I will be thine always. This is a lesson for us. In your whole life, you will find many will come and go, but you have to prove that you are always with the practice. Then we are having birth of Paramahansa Yogananda consciousness within our own being. As Yogananda decided to stay all the time with the practice, let anyone come and go, he remained unaffected. In the same way, we have to follow this philosophy that I will be steady in my path. If I remain alone, still I will prove I will be thine always. Means I will practice Kriya Yoga meditation with the same devotion. When we accept this philosophy and live this philosophy, then Yogananda is born in our own consciousness. This is the best way how to celebrate birthday of Paramahansa Yogananda. Let us decide from today that we will be firmly on this path of self-realization. We will not see right and left, who are coming and going, how many joined and left. All these affairs will have no effect on us. Then we have connected our thought, our consciousness with Paramahansa Yogananda, then we will learn faster. Let us bow down to our devotion in Kriya Yoga meditation. अब हम बैठेंगे. Now we will sit. आंखें खोले, open eyes. This is for today. ये आज के लिए.